Down, baby. Come on, honey. Mugshot, we need your mugshot, you gangster. Stay still, gangster. She's turning away. Hey, you girl. I'm just kidding, right? Hey, Lola. Come on, gangster, show up. Show your face. What? She's like, what? I'm not scared of you. Now, Lola. Lola. Do you know what I got? Do you know what I got? Lola. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is it? We don't know what it is. See what I did? Can you do that? With your beautiful eyes. Sniff if you can. Right on, Lola. Want it? You want it? Baby, you're so good. You're a beautiful girl. What, you posing? You're so beautiful, Lola. How come? Because I am, she says. That's what Lola really wanted, people. She likes to do it. She likes to clean her teeth. Floss it. Wait, Lola, wait, baby, you're too close, honey. It's just too close, Lola. And you broke it. Lola, you're way too close. It's gonna be shaky. And you broke it, Lola. You broke it. Damn, man. Hey, break everything, she says. Damn, I break everything. Okay, we cannot focus enough. Let's go. That's it. Blurry Lola.